Lesson 54. Manner. Part A. Let's talk about adjectives and adverbs today, because they can describe manner. Manner means how we do something. For example, adjectives. This is a fast car. This is a slow car. We use adjectives to describe our nouns. Adverbs. This car goes very fast. This car goes very slowly. We use adverbs to describe our verbs. Goes, goes. Fast and slowly. To make an adverb, you need to take an adjective and just add ly ending. Slow, our adjective slow becomes an adverb slowly. But sometimes we can have the same word as an adjective as an adverb. So fast, fast, fast can be an adjective, and at the same time it can be an adverb. Let's move on. Part B. Loud and quiet. Don't be confused with this word. Quiet. That is, this is our quiet, this is quiet. Quiet. Quiet means, for example, very quiet. Quite good. He is quite a good friend. Something like that you can say. But this is quiet and quiet. Adjectives. This music is too loud. I describe our music. I describe the music. That's why I need an adjective. It's very quiet here. Quiet is also an adjective. It describes our place. It's very quiet here. It, our pronoun. Let's move on to adverbs. The children sang loudly. Loudly is an adverb. It describes a verb. Sing or sang, the past simple. The teacher speaks very quietly. We can't hear him. Quietly is an adverb, describes speaks, to speak, the verb. Part C. Good and bad. Adjectives. She's a good driver. He's a bad driver. Adverbs. She drives well. He drives badly. Part D. Right and wrong. This sentence is right. I like coffee very much. That is correct. This sentence is wrong. I like very much coffee. Part E. Expressions with way. He's speaking in a friendly way. She's speaking in an unfriendly way. You're doing that the wrong way. Let me show you the right way to do it. Exercises 54.1. Complete the sentences. This train is slow. It goes very slowly. I describe my verb go. He is a bad singer. He sings very badly. Because I need an adverb to describe the action. Sing. To sing. Number 3. She's always loud. She speaks very loudly. Number 4. He is a fast swimmer. He swims very fast. Number 5. This girl is quiet. She always speaks quietly. Number 6. He's a good English speaker. He speaks English well. because we need an adverb to describe the verb to speak. 54.2. Complete the sentences. Number 1. Please don't play your music so loudly. I'm trying to study. Number 2. Let's take the train to the fast one. Let's take the slow train, not the fast one. Number 3. Katie is very at French but bad at German. Katie is very good at French but bad at German. Number 4. Why is Fiona behaving an unfriendly way? Why is Fiona behaving in an unfriendly way? Number 5. I hope this is their answer. I hope this is the right answer. Number 6. It is better to do something well than to do it badly. Number 7. The children are playing very. They know that grandma is asleep. The children are playing very. They know that grandma is asleep. Quietly. And last one. Did I do this exercise right away? Did I do this exercise the right way? (54.3) Are the definitions right or wrong? Use a dictionary. Suddenly means very slowly, but that is the wrong definition. Suddenly means unpredictably, unexpectedly, really fast. Sadly, in an unhappy way. Yeah, that is the right definition. Strangely, not in a normal way. Yeah, that is also correct. Quickly, very slowly. Now that is the opposite. Oh, not here. I should put it here. Quickly means very fast. Easily, with no difficulty. That is correct. And our last exercise, 54.4. Complete these sentences. Complete these sentences about yourself and your friends or family. My sister plays tennis well. Number 2. My badly. My daughter speaks Spanish badly. My daughter speaks Spanish badly. Number 3. I fast. I don't like driving fast. Number 4. My cat is slow. My cat is slow. Number 5. My voice is quiet. Number 6. I don't like speaking loudly. Number 7. My in a friendly way. Friends behave in a friendly way. Number 8. I would like to do it the right way. I would like to do it the right way. This is it for today. Thank you for being with me, and I will see you next time, as usual. Bye!